right, tonight on Real Bites, we're going to make some dump cake. Had a busy day today. Been out on the trail, did the Manitou Incline. Got about 4 miles of hiking in there. Came home and took the producer over here for a walk. We got a couple miles in this evening. So we're going to celebrate by making a little cake. So simple, let me show you how this is done. We've got 1 can crushed pineapple. We're just going to dump it in. With that, 1 can cherry pie filling. We're going to dump that in. Guess that's why they call it dump cake, huh? All that goodness out there. Now, mix all this in. Doesn't have to be perfect. Folks, this is super simple. 4 ingredients, and you just can't go wrong. To this, we're going to add our 1 box of cake mix. You can use really any type of cake mix that you want. We're going to dump that in. After we did that, I'm just going to kind of layer this out. Some people say break up the chunks in the cake batter, but I don't pay no attention to it. Nobody ever complains. All right, we'll set that aside. So we got 3 ingredients. Our final thing is we got 1 stick of butter or margarine. Yeah. All right, got greasy fingers. We got the oven preheated to 350. This is going to go in for about 45 minutes to an hour till it's golden brown. That's all there is to it. 4 ingredients. When this is done, we'll show you what it looks like. All right. So this has had a minute to cool down. Can't wait to try a bite. You can see all that goodness in there. That pineapple and cherry pie filling is mixed together. Cake's got just a little bit of a crust to it. Get in and have a bite. Oh yeah. Next cookout, when you don't know what to bring, you can have the stuff in your pantry, throw this together in no time at all, and take it to your cookout. It's going to be perfect. Thank you all. We will see you next time. It's Real Bites with the Kirby. We're doing real food. Y'all enjoy your evening.